Welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing a BFRIENDIT wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Let's get right in it. It's a wireless multi-device model RB730. It's a budget keyboard, and yeah, so let's get on with this. So as soon as you open it, you're greeted with the manual and this. Then you have the keyboard right to it. With the protective layer. Then you take it out and you greet with this. And then it's a soft touch keyboard. And yeah, it has these, and I think that's it with this. Yeah, definitely a good keyboard. And yeah, I'll put a link down for you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.